Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics Den. So in this video we are going to see the spot healing brush tool. Spot healing brush tool is used for removing blemishes, stains and other unwanted area from the image. So for that I'll open an image, this one. So let's say if you want to remove these stains from this shirt, we can use spot healing brush tool. So I have kept the mode on normal, type is content aware, the angle doesn't matter really here, and you can always choose the brush size either from here, or you can simply right click and you can manipulate the size of the brush. We are not worrying about the spacing, angle and roundness, other properties. We are only going to concentrate on the size of the brush for now. So let's say I want to remove this stain. I'll simply click and drag it on that spot. Click, left click and hold the left click and drag it. So before that what I'll do is I'll take a duplicate layer so that we can compare the two images. So press Ctrl J or Command J if you are using Mac. So you can see this is a duplicate layer, Ctrl J, and again I'll do the same thing, click and drag. This is pretty good, very nice. Yes, you can either click on the spot if you want, or you can simply drag and draw a line simply. So this looks pretty good actually. So I'll just compare it now with the previous or the original image. So this was the original image and this is what we have created. So this looks pretty good. Let us take another example. Let me open another image. So let's say I open this image. I'll zoom it a bit. So let me open the keys so that you can see my keystrokes. Yes, this is working now. So I'll zoom it. So let's say we want to remove these spots which are pimples. So either you can draw a line or simply you can click on that spot. I have increased the size a little bit. You can simply click. Again I will make a duplicate, Ctrl J, so that we can compare. Click. I am simply clicking. Yes, I am decreasing the size again. And remember, don't overdo it because it won't look natural. So this is looking pretty good actually. This was before and after. Just remember, don't overdo it. It will look artificial or edited. So keep it as real as possible so that it looks natural. So this is the way to use the spot healing brush tool. Now what happens if we use the proximity match? So generally people use this content aware option instead of proximity match. Why? I'll show you in the previous image. So this is the image that we used earlier. Again I'll revert it by pressing F12, Ctrl J. Look, if I choose this option, proximity match, let's say content aware, this does a pretty good job like this. But instead of content aware, if I use proximity match option, this, instead of considering the whole area, it only considers or think about the surrounding area instead of thinking about the whole the larger area. So it won't look that real. As you can see, this doesn't look good. But if you use content aware, it will do a much better job. So mostly people use the content aware option for this tool. So you can try it and use it on the larger area. Maybe let's see if you can try it on some larger area. So let's say here we go. Yes, if I want to remove this bird, let's see what happens. I can simply click over here. Now the area is big, so it's taking much longer time, but it has done a pretty good job. But mostly it is used for removing small portions like we saw in the first two example. But you can still, if possible, you can try it on the bigger area as well, but there are other options. By using those tools we can use the bigger areas. For now, try and use this tool to retouch, you can say retouching the images. Mainly photographers use it for retouching. So this looks pretty good. Okay, so I hope you understood what I have said. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye. See you when I see you. Cheers.